Most people live inside a loop. Work, earn, pay, repeat. And we call it normal. But here's the truth. Normal is just what we were trained to accept. From school desks to office desks. We were taught how to survive the system, but never how to escape it. There's a shocking statistic that's rarely talked about. Over 95% of people die with regrets about how they spent their time, not their money. That should terrify you. Because every day you delay is a day you'll never get back. The 1%? They understood this early. They stopped asking for permission. And they built lives that bought their time back. One choice at a time. That journey starts with how they make decisions. The wealthy don't hate luxury. They just know who should pay for it. Not them. Their assets. They buy freedom before they buy fun. A car might turn heads. But a house that pays you rent? That's what turns time into wealth. Before they spend a rupee, they invest 10. They don't trade hours for things. They build machines that buy back hours. But even that begins with something deeper. A mindset most people never tap into. Obsession. Hope won't make you rich. Obsession will. When your dream becomes a must, your brain rewires itself. You start noticing what others ignore. You start saying no to average, and yes to everything that moves the needle. So write your goal down. Feel it. See it. Repeat it. Let it burn louder than your fears. Because when the fire is real, nothing else survives. And then what? You act. Not later. Now. Most people wait for clarity. But the 1%? They create it. They don't need a perfect plan. They need momentum. Set your outcome. Break it into tiny steps. Then take one of them. Today. Because action isn't proof you're ready. It's the proof that you're serious. Even the way they speak is different. When average people face a decision, they ask, can I afford this? The wealthy ask, will this make me more? If the answer is yes, they move mountains to figure it out. I can't shuts down your mind. But how can I? That flips the switch. Change your questions. And you'll change your future. Now let's talk about the one thing people love to blame. Luck. Yes, it exists. But the 1% don't wait to be picked. They pick themselves. They send the message. They make the call. They jump, even if the train is already moving. They don't whisper, what if? They shout, why not? Stop waiting for the stars to align. Be the one who rearranges the sky. And here's what most don't realize. The rich don't just earn more. They earn differently. They build income that doesn't need them. Money that whispers, I've got you. Even when they sleep. Even when they pause. You invest 100 Indian rupees a week for 11 years. And you've got over 10 Indian rupees lakhs working full-time, without you. Time is your most expensive asset. Let your money buy it back. So let's bring it home. Thinking like the 1% isn't about what's in your wallet. It's about what's in your mind. They don't wish. They plan. They don't chase money. They build systems that attract it. They don't knock on doors for years. They build their own. So don't ask, can I become the 1%? Ask yourself, am I finally done thinking like the 99%? Because the door? It's already there. You just have to stop staring at it. And start walking through.